So at last on last Sunday I managed to fix the steel netted hole front of my terrace. This terrace is the world for my finch sparrows. This world was very happy with at least 19 or 20 sparrows, 4 newly grown zebra finch pair. As I have shared in my last video, some alien outsider was killing my finches night by night. At each or alternate morning, I found 1 or 2 sparrows that died with eaten soft belly tissues. There was no clue to me except perhaps they were dying of infection and lower body was eaten by sparrows themselves. Once, I noticed one of my lovebirds' well-grown chick who was scratched brutally at the belly side. It was also a hypothetical view of mine and my friend that all may be due to some outsider aliens, like mice or something alike. My terrace had a net at the whole front already but was torn at some side, which I had covered by a net patch. That patch was tapped and also sewed very well. There were chances that mouse-like creatures squeeze their body through any possible tight way. Therefore, last Sunday, I bought a steel net and wooden strips to fix the steel net with nails. The task was completed by workers within 2 hours. Since last Sunday, there has been no any casualty to my little angel birds. Now, there have been left only 9 finches. I am not sure there is any pair except 1. I think they will manage themselves to pair. But I think I shall buy 2 pairs from the bird market for the healthy activity of my terrace aviary.